What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if this is the first time you've seen my face, you are most welcome. In today's video, I am gonna be showing you a very effective yet natural way to tighten up an extreme sagging breast. Now this would help you to firm up the skin on your boobie area, and also it would, kick it up back to normal. So if you want to know what comprises of my treatment, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video if you do love my video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, and also on my website I sell tons of natural ingredients. You can find anyone you so please at the link at my comment section. Also check out my vlog channel, there are tons of beautiful videos there. Alright guys, so let's jump into this video. The first ingredient is gonna be toothpaste, and Colgate is preferably. Now you can also use any toothpaste that is white and contains mint, alright, because the ingredients in it would help to firm up the breast and also help to remove any lumps, and that is the reason why we need toothpaste. So for the toothpaste, I'm going to be pressing in a reasonable amount of toothpaste into the bowl. The next ingredient, Fuller Earth. Fuller Earth removes scars, it improves the skin complexion, it treats acne, and it also improves skin elasticity. It also works in tightening up the skin, removing large and open pores. It's going to be perfect in tightening a sagging breast rapidly. Fuller Earth is also called Motani Meaty, and it's perfect in glowing the skin. And for the Fuller Earth, 1 teaspoon of Fuller Earth is going to be enough for this treatment. The next ingredient, we're going to be needing yogurt. Yogurt is excellent in reducing fine lines and wrinkles from forming. It contains anti-aging property and also lactic acid, which help to dissolve dead skin cells. It tightens pores, remove excessive oil, and it's also perfect in tightening up a sagging and loose breast. It also helps to glow the skin, prevent skin from aging. For the yogurt, we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons. The next ingredient, cucumber. The ascorbic acid present in cucumber is perfect in sorting the skin irritation and reduce soreness. It prevents water retention, and it also helps to reduce signs of aging. It slows down the process of aging on the skin. It tightens up the pores, reducing excessive and large pores, and it's also perfect in tightening up the sagging breasts. And for the cucumber, I'm going to be cutting just a little piece of cucumber. Then I'm going to be blending this. I love to do that in a circular motion so it can be smooth. So I'm going to be straining out the juice of the cucumber, and I'm going to be transferring that into this tiny strainer and pressing it out, so the juice can be extracted. Now I'm going to be turning the cucumber juice into the treatment. Then we're going to be stirring this up together. And this is perfect to tighten up an extreme sagging breast. So here is the treatment for tightening up the boobs, and this is really chilled. Now what I did is that I put this inside my refrigerator, and it's really chilled. Alright, so you're gonna apply this. It's gonna be so cooling. You're gonna apply this generously onto your breast. Now as you're applying this, you notice that it's going to be really soft. Now because of the fuller eggs, okay, it's really soft. Now what you do is that you're going to leave this on your boobs for like 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes you're going to leave this on, and this is just going to help to tighten up, draw up your boobs. When the ingredients get dry, you're going to notice that it's just going to tighten up your boobs, and this is really perfect. Okay, so if you can apply so much, it's going to be perfect in making your boobs firm faster. All right, so that is just a perfect and simple yet natural way, okay, to do this. So after you've done this, you can wash this off with a very cold water. Now cold water from the freezer, alright, or from the fridge, wash it off. It's going to be a little bit discomforting, but of course it's just going to be perfect in tightening up the boobs, and I mean it's great, so great. Now I'm just applying this over here just to show you that the ingredient is really ideal and is perfect, safe on the skin. But of course you should apply it on your boobs. That is the target, alright? And then you walk it down, massage it, walk it down and massage it, that way, and it's gonna be perfect, like tighten your boobs up like really good. Okay, so repeating this every evening would effectively firm up and tighten up your breast. No jokes, like this is really effective. Okay, so go try it out. All the ingredients are natural. You can find them fuller it, you can find them on my website. Okay, the link will be at my comment section. If you do find this video interesting and helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And I will see you soon in my next video, guys. Bye and stay beautiful.